Good evening guys and welcome to another video. This video is going to be hopefully quite a fun video. I'm going to service my car myself like we did last year. Last year I did it with my dad. He did most of it because I was filming it. This year I want to lose my servicing virginity and do the whole thing myself. We're just doing a basic service again. I do want to change the coolant at some point, but that'll be a separate video where we'll go through that properly and show you how to do that because I've never done that myself. But in this video, what we're going to do, we're going to change the oil, we're going to change the oil filter, we're going to change the cabin filter, the air filter and the spark plugs. So they are the things that we will be changing. Now you're thinking, Lewis, you've already done a servicing video, we don't want to see a video every time you service your car. We already know how to do it, you've already shown us. If you haven't seen that, I have already shown you. Go and have a look at that video. It's very useful. It's that useful I watched it again today, so I know what I'm doing. No, it's going to be more exciting. Do you know why it's going to be more exciting? Because I'm going to do it timed, on the edge, against the limit. That's what's happening. So we're going to see how fast I can service my own car today. Then if you want, you guys, you can make a video yourself, or you can just do a post and let me know if you've serviced your own car, how fast you've done it as well. See if you can beat me. You're also thinking, Lewis, what are you doing with your hair? Your hair is disgusting. You don't get a hat on, you've not done it up or anything. There's a reason for that as well. Yes, I'm going to be sporting this wonderful thing in the middle of my street just so that you guys get a eyes-on view of what I'm doing, basically. So there'll be a camera showing what I'm doing and a camera showing what I can see. Wow. So let's get all the tools ready, get everything set up, get the timer on and crack on, yeah. Right guys, so I've got all the trims and stuff off that are body parts that are going to be in the way. I don't mind so much as moving like body parts out of the way unless it's trim that's on the actual thing that's going to be having the service. So we'll start with that. I've got every other like socket and tool out ready just in case I need it. It's mainly all 10mm, so that's okay. I've got the heat shield out of the way. I've got the service panel off from underneath. I've also took this like aircon light panel off over here so we can get straight to spark plugs. I haven't took any of that off because that's obviously the actual component, so we'll be taking that off as part of the service. It's already jacked up as well, ready to go. This part's ready that I'm going to need, but nothing like in its actual place, so I'm going to be grabbing things as and when I need them to be as quick as possible. So let's get a timer ready and let's get on it. Right, both cameras are rolling. Let's hit the start. Right, we're going. Okay. Don't need the tripod yet. Right guys, the first thing I'm going to do is probably going to be the thing I'm most scared of doing, which is the oil. Always have, see, it's a good idea this because you can take off the breather plug and you've also got your plug to turn it into. Yeah, so I'm pretty, I'm not going to lie, I'm scared of doing this. I've never done this before on my own. Let's get this under here. Hopefully the car's cooled down enough now to do it. Don't drop it. Oh, come on. This is not going to work. Go. Right, we're going. Get the hammer. I can't get. Oh my god. Oh, that is caked now in GT85, which is pretty much WD-40, same kind of thing. Okay, this is it now. This is the one. It's coming off. If this doesn't do it, I'm going to end up mashing it. Right, okay. Nope. So guys, as you'll obviously seen after those failed attempts, I've come to my dad so that he can help me put a mechanic's touch on it and crack off that sub plug, which we've managed to do. it's ready to go now. My dad's gonna literally start draining the oil. We'll have set the timer off by then, and then I'm gonna try and do it so that we're only doing one job at a time, so that it's not. You know,
That's one job at a time.
Yeah. So then you guys can play along as well. If you ever time it yourself, you can do one job at a time instead of having loads of people doing loads of jobs.
Because blokes can't multitask.
Exactly, exactly. So it's cheating getting 10 guys doing the same job. I've got the GoPro on, as you obviously seen. We're gonna set it off, and away we go. Don't laugh.
3, 2,
1, go. Right, okay, that's good. I'll put that there. Okay. Oil cap, take that off. That's off, right. You going under?
Yeah,
You got it. I'm so glad we've got a new sun plug this time.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, you go.
Go, right, that's coming out. Right, let's do everything that's under the bonnet now, so we'll do air filter first. So that needs to be disconnected. Then we've got 2 clips, one there, one there. Oh, there's another one there. 3. 1, 2, 3. Actually take 10 hours on this now. No, I didn't need to do that, so that's fine. Come on. Come out of the way. One thing we'll have to do as well is the big camera only runs for 10 minutes and then stops. Okay. Oh, it's a little bit dirty. That one, so that's your comparison. So that's the fresh. Come on. That's in. Right, okay. That's on. Clips. 1, 2, 3. You didn't even need to disconnect that wire, so you can leave that in future. Right, next, cabin filter. We'll do that next. How's oil looking? Okay. Plugs in. Okay. Right, I'll wait until you've nipped it up.
Done.
Right. So guys, this is under here. I don't know if you can see, it's a little tab. Put your finger under it and it comes out like a slider. Oh, come on. Oh, I'm taking this glove off. Oh my word. I think I meant to, yeah, take that full thing off. There you go. All them frigging seeds from parking up, they're in this filter. Oh, it's vile. Look at the state of that. You want in, this is going to need a vacuum. That's it. Cover back on. I can't. That's on. Wow, that was ridiculous.
Did you like that?
No.
You want to put a door against the wall, use your pollen filter.
It's one way of doing it. Spark plug's 90. Oh, so I need 10mm. Do you normally do that? Pull the cover up with it?
No, the cover's just bowing down with it.
It's stuck on that one.
No, tap it.
Well, if I get them all off at the same time. Oops. Oh, fingers cramping up. Okay, so you'll see, guys, that these ones are considerably like longer bolts there than at the front. The front ones are very short compared. Oh yeah, the full spacers come out. So that's, yeah, that's meant to stay in. But oh well, that's one thing with these, is how far back the engine is. What's that? Oh, problem. What? Need a deep socket for them long ones. 10mm. Okay. Right, there is one more bolt there, but it needs to be a long socket to get past the thread. Whilst my dad's getting a long socket for that, we're going to go underneath and change the oil filter. Now I need to get the... Did we get a rag? Yeah. Ow, ow, bang me head. Oh, that were a big rip. Big rip. Tailgate. Oh, that were a big rip. Big rip. Right, we've got my dad's bike in touch as the underlight. Right, so it's just above, if you guys can see, you've got your drive shaft here, just above this heat shield. You can feel it just up there. Get a twist, see if it twists. I think it's twisting. Oh, what an angle to get. coming, it's coming, it's coming. Right, so it's going to dribble down past the engine block, so we're going to catch the rest of that in the oil pan. Point it up, yeah, so it doesn't dribble everywhere. Oh my god, how long's this thread? Okay, right, that now. What?
Tip it upside down in your drainer.
Into drainer.
Just leave it in there. Put it down.
I need something to.
I've done it. I've lubricated it.
You lubricated it.
I've lubricated your ring.
Oh, you've lubed my rim up. Pop a little bit of oil on your fresh one, just around this rubber seal. Make sure that there's no grip for any tearing or anything like that. Try and dodge everything else on the way up. Oh my god, how am I gonna find this now? I don't know where the thread is, never mind crossing it.
Alright, so when you shut boot, it's not going shutting fully.
I'll just explain, yeah. Literally the 2 years and plus I've had this car, I've had to slam this boot every single time. Middle at night, really morning, we're shopping, everything. And it always shuts like that on just like first latch and does that. Even slamming it. Now it's done it because we took all the plastic off that surrounds the actual latch there. Didn't realise how to adjust it because these screws are countersunk into where they are. Like, I'll zoom in there so you can see that, yeah, it's countersunk in, so we could never adjust it, but we've took all this plastic piece off. Literally, you just lift it from the bottom, take this plastic piece off, and there's lines for adjustment. Now behind this there is an actual plate that's up against this framework here. That plate underneath shifts, so you don't take these bolts all the way out, you just loosen them, knock it up with a hammer, which is like the oldest hammer I've ever seen in my life.
It was my great-great-granddad's.
Were it really?
No.
Right, okay.
As you can see, you've got a indentation there, and it's on the bottom line, same that side, so we'll lift it up to the middle one and see what the tailgate closes like.
Yeah.
Yep.
Do. Line her up. You don't know how excited I am about this. I'm gonna get a right soft close. That's short, you ready? That's not gonna do it. That's short. That, oh my god, I'm right excited about that. I'm more excited about that than anything else. No more slamming it 5 times on a night. That's it now. New series, FN2 hacks. FN2. No, I can't get it. Honestly, can't get it.
You want Dad to do it?
Yes.
Come on then.
God's sake. Oh, I can see your hands. That thing I should have felt with my hands first. What we on time wise? 17:10.
That's what I think.
I don't know what inches they are.
3/8, you've got in your hand and
Right.
on the floor.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. The medium size. Which it's staying on. Can't be asked to waste time. I thought I'd already took that one off.
You did. That's the one that was on the cover. I just put it back in for you to take out, but it should be there.
Frig. Why have you put it back in here?
So you can take it out.
What, so I'm not skipping a step?
Yep.
That was the advantage. I can't believe you.
Because we stuck to cover with nut, weren't it?
Yeah, we kind of took 2 out in one.
But it should have been end one, not middle.
And then just lift your plug out.
Yep. Top.
Yeah. That's them. Right, so you'll want, for ours it is a 3/8 socket, but it does have a rubber in there so that you can pull it out once we've got it out. First time I've ever took spark plugs out with a proper thing. Because last year we used a socket that didn't have a rubber in, and you had to use that magnetic screwdriver to pull them out. Yeah, here we go.
Take the ratchet.
Okay.
And then just feed it down gently and let it sit. Don't bang it down.
You don't want to bang it down because it'll ruin your spacing, won't it?
Yeah. That's 5 its threads. And just wind it until you can't do no more.
What does that mean?
So when it goes tight, quarter a turn from there to there.
Quarter of a turn?
Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
Oh, you little. Let me take this off. Oh my word.
There's black thing in it. No.
No?
Plug. Top plug back out. Set plug out.
Oh, you're joking. Right guys, so the timer is still going. The problem we're having is the socket that we're using has never ever been used with any spark plugs in the past. The rubber that's inside the spark plug is gripping that tightly to the actual spark plug itself, that it's staying on there and pulling out of the socket. So we're just trying to widen the hole of the rubber first, so the next time we put it on it's not going to stick to the spark plug.
Is it in?
Yeah.
Yeah, next one.
Good. Right, that's the last plug. So I need to put the coils back in.
Get your connection on.
As you put it in, you'll feel like a slight resistance when it fits onto the actual plug. Right, they're in. Long bolts.
Nuts. Small pair of nuts.
And 2 funny shaped ones for you.
Yeah.
Right, if I can remember, it takes roughly about 4.5 litres. Oh, trumping again, me. Flipping heck. Using Miller's oil, 5W30. Some people go to 5W40 with these cars after a certain age, but this is what's been recommended from a lot of people, and I think manufacturer-wise. Feel sorry for you turbo boys, because I know for a fact your oil's like treacle, but it takes 10 hours to go through this. On the max, 100%.
Yeah. It's a good job we're not timing this.
We are timing it. That's everything into it.
Yeah.
Right, so, right. What we on? Stop. That is 46 minutes, and there you go. 46 minutes 22. So that's our best attempt. I'm sure you can do loads quicker. We did have problems with the socket. It's not in gear, is it?
Yeah.
Sorted. You're going to let it run a bit. Just double check the oil. Just make sure it's at the correct level. We don't want to damage the engine. But other than that, we're pretty much done, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. We've enjoyed it, as stressful as it was. It's a little bit different to just a standard service video with instructions. Thought it'd be a bit more exciting, so I hope you've found it entertaining. If you did enjoy this video, and you do enjoy any of the videos, if it's me or if it's me and my dad, please like and subscribe to the channel. Can click that click the bell, you know what I mean? Bell button so it reminds you when a fresh video comes on. And until next time, guys, like I always say, enjoy the rest of your day.
Let me cut.
Bye. Go on, go. Shut. 1 minute before you go under. Oh, we're going to surprise you. I've got this set at home.
I saw you put some up and I thought, what's he up to?
Yeah.
Do it go there?
You'll connect here. Yeah. I'll go that way. But all that is used.
Yeah.
So I can just polish it up, just change that bit. Yeah. And then it can go on.
Cool. So it's going to sound different.
Yeah.
I know you put something on about look at engine bay and mods coming up. I thought.
Yeah.
Oh,
Daytime.
Nighttime.
Oh my god.
Daytime.
Night, guys.